Okay, this is a different species of wasp, but he has a wing deformation like the one yesterday. And they come from around the same place, but they're different species of wasp. He can't fly either, and I don't know if it's some kind of chemical or environmental agent that's causing these wasps to have mutations. Like I said, this is the second one. I'm trying to hold it still so you can see him well. He has full wings, but they're not wide, they're skinny. So it's a wing mutation, but it's a different species. So I don't know, maybe you guys could help me out. If you've seen this before, is this normal? What? Just let me know. Thanks.